This brand new AI niche is going completely viral right now. Channels like Serpent AI are generating millions of views with exactly these kinds of videos. The best part, the niche is still completely unknown. This channel is the only one in this niche, so start creating these videos now before it's too late. The videos look very professional and genuinely high quality, but you can create these videos yourself with AI in just a few minutes and completely for free. Let me show you. First, go to ChatGPT and enter this long prompt. You can find this prompt in my free newsletter. Subscribe to it and I'll send it to you directly for free. Link to the newsletter in the video description. Copy the first part of the prompt called concept building and paste it into ChatGPT. Hit enter. ChatGPT will now give you 15 different video topics with matching titles, characters, and much more. Choose a topic. In this video, I'll go with number 2. Now copy the remaining part of the prompt from the Google Docs file, paste it into ChatGPT, and enter the matching title for your chosen number in the title field. Hit enter. ChatGPT will generate first an image prompt and then a video prompt, and it does this for every scene. There are 3 scenes in total. Let's start with the first scene. Copy the image prompt from scene 1 and go to Grok AI. It's completely free. Use the image generation function and paste the image prompt into the text field. The format should be 9:16. Grok will now create some images for you. Choose the one that looks the most realistic. Download it, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt from scene 1, then use the image animation function in Grok AI, upload the image you just created and paste in the video prompt. Hit enter. Wait a moment. Grok has now created the first video for the first scene. It looks really good. Now do the same with the 2 remaining scenes, enter the image and video prompts and let them generate. It won't take long. Once you've created all 3 scene videos, open CapCut or any other video editing software. Upload the videos, drag them onto the timeline one after another in the correct order, change the format to 9:16. Now subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and videos about YouTube automation with AI. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my free newsletter so I can send you the prompt from the video. Link in the description, check out my other videos and click on my next video. See you there.